Hey everybody, it's Sharon Sheldon here from Content Sparks, and welcome to today's live training called How to Use ChatGPT to Customize Your PLR course. And PLR is private label rights or white label or brandable, ready to go, whatever term you like to use. You can see this is the first slide. This is what we're talking about today, how to use ChatGPT to make your PLR course unique. I'm going to be talking about exactly how to leverage AI, particularly ChatGPT, to speed up the process. And most of the guide chats work about the same, and that you'll get better quality output than doing it on your own. I know there's a lot of debate there. The output can be really generic, but if you do it the right way, you'll actually get better quality output. First, here's what I'm going to be talking about today. Top ways to use ChatGPT to customize your courses, the mindset that you need to have to be successful, get successful output from your AI chat. And like I said, we're using ChatGPT, a beginner friendly prompting framework. And I'll explain what that means when I get to that. And lots of practical examples and tips, as well as some next level ideas, other ways that you can use it. So the best use cases for AI for customizing your courses are ideas. So that's one of the absolute best ways, just getting your brain going, sparking new ideas for ways to change it or things to add. Examples, this is one of my favorite ways to use it, is when there's an example there that doesn't actually resonate with your audience because we keep it generic to make it customizable. You can use ChatGPT to get ideas for different examples for your audience, and I'll show you how. Suggested revisions. So if there's certain sections that you don't really like the way it's explained, or you think maybe you want to add something to it, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas, suggestions, and then take what you want from there. Changing the style, tone, or audience, prime way that you can use it. Give it a piece of text and say, rewrite it in your style, and I'll show you some tips for that. And the expanding and clarifying, so getting it to clarify a concept. For example, explaining to a different type of audience in a different way. And I'll show you that example too. So this is going to speed up everything and give you more ideas than if you were just doing it on your own.